Here I am then at Diggerland in Devon on a very unique flat ride. We're actually on an excavator here in a ride system that's been attached here onto the end. And the lovely operator there is actually going to be controlling this whilst we're attached onto the bucket just here. How cool is this? Here we go. Whee! This is called Spindizzy, and it's by far the most unique flat ride I think you'll ever see out there. Whee! It's actually really intense. It's got their own kind of restraint system attached here into the bucket, seat belt and everything. It's very cool. And yeah, I was chatting with the lady and she's literally controlling the whole thing. Very cool. She doesn't just press a button and it starts. Jeez. Have you ever been on anything like this before? Drop us a comment down below. Hey. It's actually pretty high up here as well. And yeah, it's like a custom bucket that they've attached onto the side just here. We're getting a little bit steeper now. There we go. Whoa! Hey! Actually pretty scary up here. Awesome piece of machinery. And of course we have got a full vlog on the channel from Diggerland, so make sure you check that out. You haven't already seen it. We'll check out all the different attractions that they've got on offer here. Into a bit of a different position now.
This is awesome.
There we go. Good long cycle on here as well. Hey! Yeah, you can really feel the G-forces on this. Oh! Wow! There's some real G-force on it. Now the other way. It's quite funny because when these machines were designed, I don't think they ever thought there'd be humans sat in the end of one of them. 3-minute cycle on this flat. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, really enjoyed that. Great ride. Pretty intense, some good forces on there as well. That's Spindizzy here at Diggerland.